The Topunive 100W Foldable Solar Panel is a lightweight and portable solution, weighing just 5.94 pounds, making it easy to transport and install for various outdoor activities. This innovative bifacial solar panel design allows for electricity generation from both sides, increasing efficiency by at least 10 to 20% compared to traditional models. Featuring 9 busbar monocrystalline solar cells, the panel ensures high conversion efficiency up to 23%, providing more energy output and reducing the risk of microcracks. The panel's IP68 rated junction box offers excellent protection against water and dust, ensuring durability and reliability in outdoor environments. Constructed with ETFE material, this solar panel boasts higher light transmission and a longer service life, while also being resistant to high temperatures and easy to maintain. With its compatibility with most solar generators on the market due to the variety of connectors, this solar panel is a versatile choice for powering your devices during camping trips or emergencies.